If you're considering a trip to Brazil from Dubai, whether to explore the vibrant cities of Rio de Janeiro and São Paulo, or to experience the natural beauty of the Amazon rainforest and the Iguazu Falls, obtaining a tourist visa is a crucial step in your travel planning. This video will guide you through the entire process of applying for a Brazil tourist visa from Dubai, covering everything from documentation to processing times and common pitfalls. A tourist visa, officially known as the Brazilian Visitor Visa (VIVIS), allows you to stay in Brazil for a short period for tourism, business meetings, or family visits. This visa is typically valid for up to 90 days within a 180-day period. Before you start your application, ensure you meet the following requirements. Passport. Your passport must be valid for at least 6 months from your intended date of arrival in Brazil and have at least 2 blank pages. Visa application form. Complete the online visa application form, known as the e-visa, available on the Brazilian consulate's website. Photographs. Provide 2 recent passport-size photographs that meet the specifications outlined by the Brazilian consulate. Proof of travel insurance. You need to show proof of travel insurance that covers medical emergencies during your stay in Brazil. Flight itinerary. Submit a copy of your flight itinerary showing entry and exit from Brazil. Proof of accommodation. Provide documents proving where you will be staying during your visit, such as hotel reservations or an invitation letter from a host in Brazil. Proof of financial means. Show evidence of sufficient funds to cover your stay in Brazil. This can be through bank statements, payslips, or a letter from your employer. Visa fee. Pay the visa application fee, which can vary depending on the processing time and your nationality. 1. Gather required documents. 2. Complete the visa application form. 3. Pay the visa fee. 4. Schedule an appointment. 5. Attend the visa appointment. 6. Submit your application. 7. Track your application. 8. Receive your visa. Start early. Visa processing times can vary, so start your application well in advance of your planned travel dates to account for any delays. Check for updates. Visa requirements and fees can change, so always check the latest information from the Brazilian consulate's website before you apply. Ensure accuracy. Double-check all information on your visa application form and supporting documents to avoid errors that could lead to delays or denial. Consult a visa specialist. If you find the process complex or have specific concerns, consider consulting a visa specialist at TravNook with your Brazilian visa application. Incomplete applications. Ensure all sections of the visa application form are completed and that you provide all required supporting documents. Incomplete applications can lead to delays or rejections. Incorrect documents. Verify that all documents meet the Brazilian consulate specifications. For example, photographs should meet size and quality requirements, and bank statements should be recent and properly formatted. Late applications. Apply as early as possible to avoid issues with visa processing times. Last-minute applications can lead to rushed preparations and potential errors. Applying for a Brazil tourist visa from Dubai is straightforward if you follow these steps. Gather all required documents, fill out the application form correctly, and submit everything at your consulate appointment. With a little preparation, you'll be ready to enjoy the vibrant culture and beautiful landscapes of Brazil. Contact us for travel and visa assistance with your Brazil trip. Safe travels and enjoy your time in Brazil.